Hey there, so this is just a quick demo of showing you one of the many use cases of how you could use your FwdSlash agent and deploy it on a website. Now, in this case, we're considering an e-commerce website. Now, when it comes to e-commerce, there's mainly three use cases. One, customers come and ask a lot of FAQs, like what's the refund policy, when's my order getting delivered, right? That comes to our second feature where second use case in e-commerce where they want to track a live order, right, given an order ID, where the chatbot can obviously answer that based on dynamically retrieving it from the backend. And the third one, could be something like a product recommender based on the users or the customer's problems. It can suggest products and link it directly to them within the chat itself. So I've just built a very quick demo POC to kind of show all three use cases live today. So I'll just go ahead and build up a very quick demo for us right now. And yeah, so all you have to do to embed your FwdSlash chatbot onto your website is to click on share in the top right here, and then click on embed a chat bubble. And here you have a code snippet, then you can just copy and paste it into your website. So once you've done that, it should look something like this. Now here's a very a sample e-commerce website that I've built up, and in the bottom right here is our chatbot. Now let me ask it a simple question in terms of, let's start with the product recommender use case where I want, let's say, a shampoo for my hair, right? I have very dry hair. Give me some shampoos. Now, what it's doing is it's referring the knowledge base, which in this case would be the actual backend system to see what and all shampoos are in stock, and then retrieving the best ones based on price and the most popular ones in this case, right? So it's given me the product name, why it's a good fit, key ingredients, pros and cons, right? So really simple, and also gives me a hyperlink to also actually view the product, right? So really neat. Now, let's say I also want to start reading. So want to get into reading. What's the best selling book out now? And again, it's doing the same thing. It's referring the backend, it's knowledge base that we gave, and it's giving us the book name, why it's a top choice, and a bit of a summary about the book so that we have all the information without actually going through the website itself, right? So this is a really neat use case, obviously, for e-commerce that might help help e-commerce website or e-commerce owners to kind of retain customers more on the website, right, where they can continue to chat with the bot and then get these sort of recommendations by the AI agent itself. Now, the second use case, let's say I want to track an order, right? So I want to track my order, and in this case, it's asking me for my order ID. I'm just going to give it a simple one, which you have in the backend. And as you can see here, in a very neat format, it says order delivery, current location, expected delivery, delivery partner with a phone number. And then, so it's giving me all this information within the bot itself. So I don't have to navigate through the website to find the right policies or the right information, right? Even if I ask it about, let's say, like a refund policy, or, when did my order get delivered, everything, most of the FAQs can be handled by the AI itself. And then obviously for any kind of support requests or anything, we can also enable some sort of a ticketing system to kind of log that as a ticket, so that basically 80 to 85% of e-commerce common requests are handled by the AI itself. And then the ones that are really serious or really needs a human intervention are logged as a ticket. Then so it really kind of just makes the whole process more efficient for the business owner, right? So this is just a very neat use case of how you can use FwdSlash to build an agent, right? In this case, for an e-commerce website. Moving forward, we'll see more demos and more videos in terms of how this a FwdSlash agent can be used for other verticals and whatever business you might be in. So yeah, thank you. Cheers.